Brunswick Public Service Fellowship sponsors recent law graduates and younger attorneys who want to practice low-income tax work in communities through a sponsoring organization.
My project was primarily focused on working with farm workers, primarily Spanish-speaking farm workers in Pennsylvania, who had federal tax controversy issues.
I represent low-income taxpayers who have been misclassified as independent contractors, and they end up having to pay double the amount of Social Security and Medicare taxes that most workers do. I assist these taxpayers in challenging their wrongful 1099 status so that the employee, the worker, only has to pay their employee's share of taxes.
I worked at the Brooklyn Low-Income Taxpayer Clinic. I focused on community education and outreach in Brooklyn Spanish and Russian-speaking neighborhoods. I partnered with community-based organizations, provided taxpayer workshops, and represented more than 1,000 taxpayers in controversies before the IRS.
I think one of the advantages, not just serving as a Christine Brunswick Fellow, but also just doing pro bono, is the magnitude of skills that you learn in doing the work.
A lot of my clients were facing major life crises, often multiple crises at once, and we found that low-income taxpayer representation was one of the most effective anti-poverty measures that we could take.
This fellowship gives me an incredible privilege, an amazing opportunity to represent people who really need assistance, people who have been wronged, people who the laws can help even when they feel like the system is stacked against them.